We're here on December 28th for Forex Trading Unlocked with a Forex analysis of the New Zealand dollar US dollar. We have a signal that was triggered in that market. Before we get into it, just want to remind you this video is for illustrative and educational purposes only. And before we get into the analysis, we're going to get on to our book promotion plug for high probable Japanese candlestick patterns. We're going to discuss one of those patterns in this video and the sell signal that has been triggered. You can read the book. It's available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions. And also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Trading Unlocked. And now let's go to our live action screen. We have the New Zealand dollar chart here pulled up on the Forex-Trading-Unlocked.com workstation page. Bearish engulfing line sell signal. That is what we are looking at here. So 2 days ago, on Friday, the market had failed to make a higher move high, and it signaled this bearish engulfing line. Yesterday, the market traded a little bit lower and probed lower move lows on the day, and now we have an inside day with just a slightly positive look. Let's look at the hourly chart, won't we? Let's see how things are shaping up with this. All right, so we initially had our high that was set back on Friday, and the market continues to make lower move lows and lower move highs. The key level to look out for here is this 70.64 area right here. If the New Zealand dollar US dollar breaches this level and rallies above it, it's most likely going to take another run at this high at 71.03. If it gets above that level. Now, right now, today's trading, I wouldn't expect very much more until this evening once the Asian markets come online, and odds are you're going to see a lot of that kind of trading over the next couple weeks, where most of the action is going to happen overnight. And you can see there was a lot of indecision. It opened up yesterday afternoon, and obviously morning in New Zealand time, but afternoon US time. Traded up, tried to make a higher move. It fell apart, made a lower move low, and now here it is still trying to make a higher move high, and it's not happening. So remember, lower move lows, lower move highs are indicative of what? A lower trending market. So even though the market is slightly positive on the day today, a test of this low from yesterday, and if it falls below here, that helps to add momentum to our bearish engulfing line sell signal, adding selling pressure that will most likely have the market coming down this 68.78 area. So we're looking for it to get down to the top end of this downside target area. It'll be rough to get below that just because of the overall strength of the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Remember, do not for months. That's just it. This last wave up, it's gotten very extreme. So just like when it came into this area here, we'll probably start to see something like this occur that happened from August into October, but only at these higher levels. Meaning, once again, that we're looking for a test of support, not a big one. This would be a good, now think about this, where this area was the highs, and then we breached that, we rallied above it and sustained this rally up here. A corrective move back down towards the 68.08, somewhere between that and the 68.78 area here, the upper part of this target area. Great place to find a base and then see the market chop around, go neutral to higher as we end the year and head into the first quarter. And once again, if you start to see any really big sell-off in the dollar versus the majors, like if the euro rally and breaks out to the upside further than it has right now, and if the pound especially gets a big rally to the upside heading into Brexit and the beginning of the new year, you would most likely see the New Zealand dollar trading probably, right now we're trading at 70.44. We'll be probably trading up at the 75 level, and that's no joke. And that probably would happen within the next few months should that rally occur. But right now, we're looking for a bearish correction to lower levels, targeting the 68.78 to 67.08 area. So with that being said, I want to remind you once again, if you want to learn how to trade this bearish engulfing line trading signal, read the book. High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, available on Amazon.com and paperback.com in paperback and Kindle versions. And we were going to end this webinar now, but before we do that, I want to remind you once again to check out Forex Trading Unlocked for all your Forex needs. And you can find us at www.forex-trading-unlocked.com. And after this video,